Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill, personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Welcome. Hey, before I jump right in, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment, and most of all, share this with your friends and family if it's something you think they can use. Hey, I got on my screen. A lot of you guys have purchased the 611 credit repair letters and dispute form. Thank you so much. We got a lot of great comments, and let me know how you come out with those. But just so you guys know, you can pick that up for $1. But that's not what that's not what today's about. Today's about free. You know that commercial that's on. First, I want to say, hopefully, you guys are being safe during this whole coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak. But I wanted to give you something you can use. So, first of all, um, let's talk about monitoring service. So you ever get that feeling like, man, all of a sudden you get someone in your checking account and dings, it's like, what is that? Dang, what is that? You see these charges, and you're thinking, man, I signed up for that, but I no longer need that stuff. So look, get rid of that stuff, especially now. It's a good time to cut the fat and get your expenses in line and lower your bill overall. Make sure that you pay everything that has your credit tied to it first. Uh, you know, and I know you guys probably have worked out deferments on your mortgage if you're out of a job, credit card payments, credit cards, that sort of thing. Make sure you check out the video that I talked about using your credit card payments to actually pay down your debt for your credit cards. That's a cool video, good credit hack. But look, I got a couple dings this morning, stuff that I need to use. So I went on a canceling spree. I canceled all the stuff. Um, so I had Hulu. Me and my wife both had Hulu. Canceled that. Candidly, wasn't bringing any dividends to my business. Cancel that. Experian. I mean, you guys know how much I love Experian. If you guys have been with me for a while, if you don't know, you'll see that how big a fan I am of Experian. But you know what? I went to a free service. Got rid of them. Um, Backstage, I am an actor. Got rid of that because I'm not going to be acting anytime soon. Um, Amazon. My wife and I both had an Amazon. So maybe some of that double dipping that's going on with some of these companies, you and your wife or your spouse or whatever the case may be, you may have the same thing that's coming out of your checking account. Make sure you guys talk about that and reduce your expenses. Um, what else that cut? Well, actually, but then also some stuff that is essential. Leave the stuff that makes you money. For me, I had to keep AWeber, which is my email responder, my ClickFunnels, which hosts my ebooks, that sort of thing. Makes my life easier. My IMDb page, actually, that's my acting page. I kind of cut that. I could lose my profile, but I'll get it back before it's over. What's this one? Oh, wealthy affiliate, $49. I have to have that. Have to have my ClickFunnels, $97. Have to have my AWeber. All those things make me money. Sirius Radio, I can listen to the regular radio. I cut that. So look, at the end of the day, guys, work on maybe getting some of the added expenses out of your life to reduce some of the fat that you have, maybe that you forgot about that comes out of your checking account every month. Also, too, let me share this with you. You can get um, a free credit report from Experian every 30 days. And I'm going to leave this link down below. Don't click on the other one that you'll go to where you have to buy something. This one you don't need any credit card, anything. You can get a free report from Experian every 30 days. If you need the monitoring and the other stuff that comes along with it, the fraud and the identity stuff, I get it. But look, if you don't need it, you have something else. You guys know I gave you the other one. I can't think of the name for $667 a month. You can use that one too in my link. Also, too, another one is Discover. The cool thing about Discover and Experian, you can get free scores. I mean, your free report every 30 days. Discover, you can get your free Experian credit score every month, which is weird, right? So if you got a Discover account, you get actually FICO. So this Discover, which is free, you'll get a Experian score, FICO 8 score. If you got a Discover account, you can get your score FICO 8 TransUnion score for free. So those are two free scores you can get without paying for anything. American Express gives you FICO 8. And then it's a bunch of other ones out there, but most of those are junk. And you guys know, if you know me at all or watch any of my videos, you know I'm not a big fan of Vantage Score. Look, if you got Credit Karma, um, great. You can monitor yourself, but don't apply for anything unless you get a FICO score. Credit Sesame is another good one, and also I'm an affiliate of it because I do like theirs. I like the fact of how quick they give you a response when you apply for something through TransUnion. I do like that, and they have what I think is a $50,000 free identity theft. So that's free, you know, with them. But I wanted to give you those also too. Another part of this video for you guys who are small business owners. I wanted to give you a good credit hack that I found today. Actually, you'll see my link below with North One Bank. You can apply for a SBA loan with North One Bank and join the wait list because I guess they're going to be taking the PPP, the Payroll Protection Program. Is going to start taking more applications tomorrow, and this is a good way to get to them. Also, if you can either do there or another credit hack I found is to um, go through NAV. If you don't know what NAV is like a small business. You can fast track your SBA COVID loan application through NAV. You can get your business score and your personal score through NAV. Check them out. And then lastly, guys, if you don't know, Experian is offering free business credit reports for every small business right now. And I'll leave that link down below in the description down here. It's pretty cool. That way you guys know what your business score is, especially you small business folks. Know what your score is before you apply. So look, this is a short video. Didn't want to take up a lot of time today, but wanted to, I always try to bring you guys something you can use, some news you can use. Until next time, guys, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Be safe, stay 6 feet back, wear your mask when you go out, and protect you and your family. Till next time, guys. Peace.